Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp quesadillas. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of raw shrimp, 8 medium flour tortillas, and 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese, like Monterey Jack. Don't forget a little olive oil, minced garlic, chili powder, and some fresh cilantro for that perfect flavor. This simple list ensures a fantastic meal. Now, let's get those shrimp ready. Start by peeling and deveining them, then give them a good pat dry to remove excess moisture. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the shrimp, along with 0.5 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 clove of minced garlic. Sauté for just 2 to 3 minutes until they turn pink and are cooked through. Be careful not to overcook them. With your shrimp cooked, it's time to assemble. Place 1 flour tortilla in a clean, lightly oiled skillet over medium heat. Sprinkle about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese evenly over half of the tortilla. Arrange a portion of your cooked shrimp on top of the cheese, then add another sprinkle of cheese. This layering helps everything melt together beautifully. To finish, fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filling. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the tortilla is golden brown and the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Remove from the skillet, slice into wedges, and serve immediately. These quesadillas are fantastic with a side of salsa, guacamole, or a fresh squeeze of lime juice. Enjoy your easy, delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.